Hey, this is video 4C for Weather and Seasons, Spanish 1. Here we got our notes and then our worksheet. Okay. At the top of our notes we've got general statements about the weather, how it feels or seems, and they're all going to use hace, is H-A-C-E. They're all using that for general statements about how it feels or seems, and then precipitation, raining and snowing, there's no hace. And then down here we've got statements about seasons. Okay, so number 1, is it spring? And we see here for it is or is it, it's the same thing, SL, and then the season. So es el primavera. Now L, it's normally L for summer, fall, and winter, just except when you do spring it's not going to be L, it's going to be La. You'll understand actually next chapter when you learn the difference between boys and girls, treating boys and girls differently. But for right now, just accept. It's not going to be L when it comes up with spring. Summer, fall, winter are going to be L, not spring. All right, so es la primavera. It's windy. Hace viento. In what season is always going to start off with en qué estación. And then we have a weather statement. I could put anything here. En qué estación, and then come up here and put any of these weather statements and it would make sense. In what season is it hot? In what season is it cool? In what season does it snow? In what season is it cloudy? I could put any of these weather statements here and it would mean that. Alright, so we want to say in what season is it windy? How do we say is it windy? Hace viento. It's hot. Hace calor. It's raining. Don't use hace here. This is precipitation. So just llueve. Go over here. Here we go. Precipitation. There is no hace with any of the precipitation. Okay. Let's see. Is it fall? Well, it is fall. That's es el otoño. Now to make it a question, is it fall? I simply add question marks. It's windy in the fall. So it's windy, standard statement about the weather. So hace viento in the fall, en el otoño. If you want to know where that is, that's over here in the notes. Let's see, happens to be exactly from the notes. It is windy in the fall. Hace viento en el otoño. I could switch out otoño for any of the other seasons and it would make perfect sense. Alright, number 8. Is it windy? Hace viento. That's a statement. To make it a question, just put question marks around it. Number 9. It's hot in summer. How do we say it's hot? That's hace calor. Now we got to say in summer. En el verano. And let's see, that one would be, it's the same pattern as what you see here. It's windy in the fall, it's hot in the summer. So you simply say it's hot. The sentence is it's hot in the summer. So hace calor in the, and then you switch out summer for the word fall here. So it's the same pattern for all of these. It's hot in the summer. It's summer. Es el verano. It is, or is it raining? So llueve is a statement. Put question marks around it, and now it's the question. Is it raining? Llueve? And number 12 here. Is it cold? Hace frío. Is it hot? Hace calor. It's good weather. Hace buen tiempo. Number 15. It's sunny. Hace sol. You can see most of these don't require any brain power at all once you have memorized a simple phrase. It's snowing. It doesn't require any brain power to know that nieva is it's snowing. You're told that over here, right here, in your vocabulary. Okay? There's no brain power required for that. It's bad weather. Again, hace mal tiempo. This is simply memorization. What's the weather like? ¿Qué tiempo hace? And let's see, is that over here on the right? Yes, it is. It happens to be the top line here. What's the weather like? ¿Qué tiempo hace? That's something that you don't need to understand the grammar. You just need to memorize it. That's all. In what season is it hot? So in what season always starts off the same way, en qué estación, and then we make our weather statement. Doesn't matter what weather statement I had chosen there, we just need to say here, is it hot, which is hace calor. Let's see, then it's spring. S, normally it would be L for summer, fall, and winter. Remember I told you it's going to go with la when it comes to spring. Es la primavera. And again, you don't need to understand why at the moment. You will learn that next chapter when you figure out how to deal with boys and girls. Okay, Spanish deals a little bit differently with boys than they do with girls, and so the L becomes a la. But that's not anything you need to worry about right now. Just understand that summer, fall, winter are going to use L, and spring is going to use la. And that concludes video letter C for weather and seasons.